What is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Alright, as you guys can see right here behind me, I'm down here at the creek, and today we're going to be doing a little Ned rig fishing. So I'm just going to be throwing this little Googan tasty tube around. I got an assortment of Ned rigs and stuff. We're just going to try out a few different ones and see which one can actually catch the fish. So guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and catch us some fish. Now, it has been a while since I've been down here. We've been in this dry spell for a couple weeks, so the creek is really low. I'm hoping that doesn't affect the fish or the bite for this evening. The fishing down here has been pretty good until this creek got really low, so we're going to find out. Let's go ahead and throw it on out there. Let's see what we can catch with this thing. Come on, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Oh, we got one already. Look at that. First cast, son. First cast. Yeah, gone. That almost looks like a smallmouth, but it's not. It's a warmouth. Them red eyes on it. Look at that. First fish, not bad. Off the tasty tube. Right on. Look at them red eyes. I don't see. You guys see how red those eyes are? Pretty awesome stuff. All right, let's go ahead and release them. Let's keep fishing. Ooh, he tore it up. Something over there just tore this thing up. As soon as it hit the bottom, just doom, 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 doom. He smacked it. I'm gonna throw it back over there in the same spot, see if I can't hook him. All right, folks, so been fishing this spot for a little while. Hasn't anything else bite. I mean, they're biting, but they're really small. So what we're gonna do is I did a little bait change, and we're also going to be moving locations. We're gonna go a little further down the creek, and hopefully we'll have some luck there. So let's go. All right, folks, we're in a new spot. This spot right here, it probably looks familiar to most of you guys. This spot has been pretty well in the past. So what I'm throwing here is a pig stick from Pig Jigs. It's pretty much just a little white worm. Done a lot of videos on pig jigs and stuff in the past. Make sure you guys check them out if you're interested. We're gonna go on down here, and this little overhang right here where this holly tree is, that's normally where they like to lay. So we're gonna start pitching around there. Hopefully we can get one to bite. Freaking fish jumped at the same time my lure hit the water. That was pretty cool. Come on, fishy. Hello, it's me again. The fishing has been freaking tough, folks. I'm gonna tell you what, it has been hard to catch them. Got another bait change. Switched over to this little micro jig, also from Pig Jigs. This is in the fire crawl color, as you can see. So this is pretty much my last option. If I can't catch them off of this, then I'm just gonna give up for the day. I'm gonna go on down here, give it a dangle, try our best. All right, fishies. You don't want to bite nothing else. See if you bite this. Alright folks, we are all the way up here at the front. This is where the water is really low at. I haven't had any more luck other than that one little warmouth that we caught, but I'm going to give it one more try. I still got this little micro jig on from Pig Jigs in the fire crawl color right there. I've seen a few bluegills jumping around over here, so hopefully we can catch into one of them. Come on, fishy. I'm literally fishing in like 2 foot of water. It's been so dry here. The creek is very low. So what I'm trying to do is find these little pockets and these little holes where it's a little bit deeper. And normally that's where the fish are in them little deeper holes. So I got one other little spot right over here to my right. And if we can't catch them there, then we're just going to have to wrap it up with one fish, guys. So let's keep trying. Alright you guys, I'm back here at the house. Unfortunately I didn't catch any more fish in this video. It really sucks, but hey, that's the reality of fishing. Sometimes you can go out there and get them, other days it's a little tougher, especially when you're fishing in drought conditions. Like I said earlier, the creek has been very low here lately. We're fishing these late summer days, but we got one. I'm happy for that. That was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure you go over and check out my paranormal channel. It's Mikey's Hauntings. The link is down in the description. Also check out my Instagram. That link is down there too. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here for now. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.